Good morning from Trapper Creek, Alaska, here at Petersville Vacation Rentals. We had a pretty good windstorm last night. I should have got some pictures of last night, but it was dark late when we got home. And so this morning, we got some a little bit of drifts. Not too bad, but warming up the tractor. And getting ready to clear out the driveway. I got somebody coming to help me build some barn doors, but pretty good amount of snow on the ground, not too bad. And we will get ready for snow removal. I thought putting the lights on the tractor would be a good idea, but it just messing up the picture. Out back here, where I let the dog go to the bathroom, I had to make her a little pathway. The new puppy, who is in bed already, back to sleep. But yeah, we got a pretty good drift back here in front of our woodshed, which is what we're gonna make new barn doors for, so they actually cover the wood and don't get covered with snow, because this is getting old. I don't know if you could see in there, but it's still got snow on it. So we're gonna work on that today. Hope you all have a great day. Be blessed, everyone. And I am still digging out from the windstorm the other night. This is supposed to be a pathway to the front door, and it's not there anymore. So I gotta dig all that out. I gotta dig over to our egress windows. I'm working on it and get it to where people can get out in case of an emergency. But the drifts are big already. All part of it here in Trapper Creek. We are ready for you snow machiners. Let's out here and get riding. That lake is untouched out there. Fresh powder on it. Hopefully we'll have our little dry cabin going next summer. Or this summer, I should say. This coming summer. Snowing. Tractor. A hydraulic leak in the steering pump valve assembly. That stinks. That's $700 and something for the part, and I'm hoping I can put it on. That's our day here today. Chickens won't even come out. House. And I got the back porch on the lodge. It's cleaned off now. Of course, it's still snowing and covering it back up, but lake. Should be thick enough now to ride on. Had some good cold weather. Advertising the dumpster. Well, just kind of right there, you know. Be blessed, everyone. Chloe and I are out here this morning, just checking out the view. Man, the sunshine is hitting the... Oh, there's a hole there in the mountains, and just beautiful this morning. There's Chloe. Pup. Good morning from Trapper Creek. Be blessed, everyone.